Hello students, welcome to HK Classes YouTube channel. In this class, I am going to discuss one more important aspect of the physical chemistry. I am sure that it is going to helpful for you a lot. And in this class, the topic what I am going to discuss is a very important topic, which is the strength of the hydrogen peroxide. Strength of the hydrogen peroxide or volume strength of the hydrogen peroxide. So generally, if we come across about the concentration, we may express the concentration in terms of the molarity, normality for different solutions. But coming to hydrogen peroxide, we can express the strength of hydrogen peroxide maybe in terms of molarity, normality, and apart from those, we can also express the hydrogen peroxide in terms of its volume strength. Volume strength. So let us tell you exactly what is the volume strength of hydrogen peroxide and how to calculate volume strength of the hydrogen peroxide. So first of all, what is a volume strength? What is the volume strength of the hydrogen peroxide basically? Yeah. So it is volume of the oxygen gas released when one volume of the hydrogen peroxide solution is decomposed. I repeat, volume of the oxygen gas evolved or released by the decomposition of one volume of hydrogen peroxide solution. So let me write the same thing. Volume of oxygen gas released when one volume of hydrogen peroxide solution is decomposed. And in general, we aware that the hydrogen peroxide on decomposition, it will give water as well as the oxygen. So I'm writing the equation where 2 moles of the hydrogen peroxide liquid, as you know, which decomposes to give water, liquid as well as oxygen gas. This is the stoichiometric equation. So in this stoichiometry, if you take here 2 moles of the hydrogen peroxide is giving 1 mole of the oxygen. Suppose if I consider the condition as STP condition, that means here 2 moles of the hydrogen peroxide is able to give 22.4 liters of the oxygen, because as you know, this is the gram molar volume, that is the volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas at STP. Now coming to the question or coming to the data, I told you volume strength. Here, in order to understand this, definitely what I am doing is that I am converting this moles into mass of the hydrogen peroxide, where 2 moles of the hydrogen peroxide is nothing but 2 into its molecular weight of hydrogen peroxide is 34 grams. That means 2 into 34 grams of hydrogen peroxide will be giving 22.4 liters of oxygen at STP. So for this, what I'm doing is that take it as 34 grams. If it is 34 grams, definitely this will be 11.2 liters of oxygen at STP. Now, here we have hydrogen peroxide in grams. But if you see here, we need to take 1 volume of hydrogen peroxide solution. So how to solve this? Understand this. So for this, what I am doing is that consider that 34 grams of H2O2 is present in 1 liter of the solution, because we need hydrogen peroxide volume solution, H2O2 solution. That means if I take like this 34 grams of H2O2, if it is present in 1 liter, so as per the stoichiometry, you can see the volume of oxygen released will be 11.2 liters. And as you know, this is 34 grams of H2O2 per liter, means 1 molar solution of hydrogen peroxide. The reason is, you know that molarity is equal to weight by gram molecular weight of the substance into 1 by volume of the solution in liters. Here, as per this consideration, what is the weight of the H2O we got here? That is 34 grams. Its molar mass is 34 grams into, we have taken volume of solution as 1 liter, therefore 1 by 1, which is nothing but 1 molar solution. So from this, we can understand that 1 molar H2O2 solution, if you take, we will get 11.2 liters of oxygen gas. So from this, we can conclude that if I take 1 molar solution of the hydrogen peroxide, its volume strength is 11.2 liters. Therefore, 1 molar H2O2 means 11.2 volume of hydrogen peroxide, because 1 mole of H2O2 is present in 1 liter. That means solution is 1 liter solution. If we heat this 1 liter solution of the hydrogen peroxide, we are getting how much of the oxygen? 11.2 liters. So as per the standard definition, here the volume strength of hydrogen peroxide is 11.2 volume. At the same time, students, suppose from this, if I take only 17 grams per liter, that implies it is nothing but 5.6 liters of oxygen. But as you know, this 17 grams if present in 1 liter, this is nothing but 1 normal hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, because as you know, expression for normality is nothing but weight by gram equivalent weight into 1 by volume of the solution in liters. So what is the weight of H2O to be considered here? 17 grams. So what is the equivalent mass of the hydrogen peroxide? That is 34 divided by 2, because H2O2 is an acid. It has 2 replaceable hydrogens. 34 by 2 means nothing but 17 only, into volume is 1 liter. Therefore, this is a 1 normal solution. That means from this we can conclude that 1 normal hydrogen peroxide is nothing but its volume strength as 5.6. 5.6 volume strength of hydrogen peroxide. So these are the very standard. From this you can do the calculation. Suppose if they give us the molarity as 2 molar, for example, for 1 molar the volume strength is 11.2. If I take 2 molar solution, definitely it will be 2 into 11.2 volume strength. If I take n molar solution, n into 11.2. Therefore, if they give us molarity, how to get the volume strength generally? volume strength of hydrogen peroxide H2O2 is nothing but its molarity into 11.2. Similarly, if they provide us the normality, how to get the volume strength now as per this consideration? Volume strength of hydrogen peroxide H2O2 is equal to its normality into 5.6. So from this, students, we can calculate the volume strength if the molarity is given as well as the normality is also given. So by utilizing this or by using this, we can solve the questions very easily. And students, please subscribe to my channel and like the channel, and please send this to the learners so that they can also learn the subject. Thank you.